Hey guys, we are back with another video. It is currently day
12 in quarantine.
Day 12 in quarantine.
And we're so bored.
Super bored. There's really nothing to do because we can't go outside because it's damn coronavirus.
Coronavirus!
Go away, coronavirus. We need you to be out. Gone.
Goodbye.
She needs to go. Because I'm really like sitting here bored. Like me and Tasha yesterday, we colored.
Watched movies all night. Started watching Insecure.
Which is a good... Where have we been? I feel like Insecure's been out for like a while and we haven't been watching it.
Yeah. But anyways.
Anyway, so today we are going to be doing like a cook with us, reaction and try video, I guess you could say. We're going to be making the... Dalgona coffee. It's the coffee drink that you see all over Instagram. Yeah. Like I've been seeing people like post about it and be like, they're like cooking it, they're like whipping it and like showing you how to make it. And I'm like, oh my god, this is so good, whatever.
And we love coffee. We go to Starbucks almost every day.
Literally.
Can't now because we stuck at home in the house.
But we make our own frappuccinos at home.
Yeah, we do.
Which are pretty fire. They're not Starbucks, but they're pretty darn close.
They're pretty darn close.
Literally.
Yeah. And the drink on Instagram, it looks like the I don't know, I can never remember the dang name of the stupid drink. Oh my god.
The macchiato.
Yeah, they look like the macchiatos that you get from Starbucks, which I really don't like that. But
I actually enjoy the macchiatos with extra caramel sauce.
Okay, well maybe it's good with extra caramel sauce.
They're
I don't
really
know.
Fire.
But yeah, the ones that I taste, I just like, I don't know if I can mess with this. So I don't know if I'm really gonna like this or not. Rell, she probably will like it.
I like all coffee, so most likely I will like it. Because I love coffee. To the neck. Coffee to the neck. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna go to the kitchen and show you guys how to make it. Then we'll come back and show you guys how to drink
our reaction to it.
That too.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, friends. So Rell has started
making it.
What are the ingredients?
Okay, these are the things that you need. So first you need some instant coffee. It doesn't matter which like kind of brand it is, like just instant coffee. And then you're gonna need sugar. And they say boiling water. Some people just use regular water, but I just did boiling water because that's what they say. And you're gonna need 2 teaspoons of each ingredient, but we're gonna double it since it's 2 of us drinking it. Got it? Get it? Good.
Get it? Got it.
So first, I'm going to start with the instant coffee. So I'll just do 2. Damn, that's like a big 2. Is it a tablespoon or a teaspoon? I think we're supposed to use a tablespoon. I think this is a teaspoon or a tablespoon.
I don't know.
I didn't add 4. It's okay. We're just gonna do it.
Okay, great. Whatever.
So that was 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Great.
Now we're going to get the sugar. The water should be last. And then do 4 sugars. That's a lot of sugar.
Dang.
1,
We'll
2,
just make it really sweet.
3, 4. Oh my god.
That looks like a lot.
That's like a lot of sugar.
Jeez.
So much sugar. Okay, now I'm gonna get my boiling water, which is not really boiling, it's just hot from the microwave. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next thing you're gonna need is whisk. You just whisk this baby on up. Oh, that looks so gross.
That really does look really gross. I don't like that. And how long do we have to whisk for?
You have to whisk until the batter or whatever this is stuck to the whisk. Not like this, but like until it's like thick. Like thick down. So
yeah, we're just gonna keep doing that until our arms get tired. If this is what it takes to be a chef or a cook or anything of that nature, I ain't doing it. So what have you guys been up to lately? How's your quarantine been?
Coronavirus!
How's your quarantine?
Ours has been pretty awful.
It's getting a little
More like
thicker.
not so dark. Yeah, and thicker.
Thicker.
Thicker than
We her to be thick. Thick madame like us. Like me.
Comment if you know where the phrase thick madame came from. What movie?
Do you guys want to see how you do the Megan dance?
Can I be in it too? Okay, ready?
I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet, lit, sassy, moody, nasty. Oh, what? I forgot. Oh, acting, stupid. What's happening? Bitch, what's happening? Bitch, I'm savage. And that's how you do the savage dance. Okay, I was so proud when I freaking learned how to do that.
It took her years.
It took me literally like, no, not years. I'm trying to move the camera so you guys can actually see us. Okay, it took me a few days to learn that dance. It took you a day too.
Yeah, it took me a little bit.
Don't try to play me like it didn't take you days.
But it's
Oh, I feel like the guy off the potato video, off of Master. Oh, my potatoes are cooking. My potatoes
I have to restart my potatoes.
Oh my, I just thought about that because he was hella whisking. He was like,
but he was doing it on the counter. It's now thick, like sticking to the whisk. We added a little more sugar just because we tasted it and thought it maybe needed a little more sugar. So yeah, but it's basically done because it's sticking to the whisk, and she is thick. She's thick, thick, thick. So just gonna put her right there. Add 2 ice cubes to our glasses. Make it cold. And then fill it with almond milk because we love almond milk in this house.
we don't drink regular milk in this house.
No.
Or
Fill it up.
almond horse. You can actually put
Halfway?
it. No, a little bit more. No, yeah, that's good.
That's good. Okay. I don't know how much they put in. I haven't watched one of the videos.
That should be
That looks like
good.
enough. Oh, that was easy.
Or stove.
Okay. I'm just gonna throw this in there.
Yeah.
Sink.
Throw it in the sink with the rest of the dishes. Maybe do like one. Oh my god. She's a little runny. I mean, she's thick, but she's still a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't know how they make it to look all cute to sit on top.
Right. I have no clue. But that's what like all like coffee and like, you know how they be making like the hearts and like some like the coffees and like stuff like that. I'm just like, chill, I don't know how the heck you did that.
Probably could have mixed it a little bit more, but I mean, she was thick. She was sticking to the.
Yeah. We couldn't whisk anymore. So that's how thick she was.
Yeah. We have our drinks. This is how they look. Let's do a close up. They look kind of gross.
Yeah, they don't look like how the Instagram ones be. This is real life.
This is reality.
This is literal
reality versus the Instagram. All right, so
we see people mix it.
yeah. Sorry, I just saw that spilled on me.
Yeah, she's very, very thick.
Someone did. Oh my god.
That looks like poop.
Your poop looks like that?
No, but no. You know we work with children. I've seen all kinds of poop. Now I feel like I need to explain myself.
No, you don't gotta do no explaining. Okay, so you just keep mixing it up.
Does it have to be like liquidy? Like should the coffee be liquid?
No.
As you're mixing it, should it like you don't taste it until it gets liquid?
I don't know because I haven't really watched this far. I just watched making it. I don't watch how. I just see them staring it and then they taste it and be like, this is so good. So maybe you could just kind of whip it in there.
Oh, whipping it.
You whip the whip and then you whip it into the drink.
I know. I feel like that kind of helped to get it off the straw.
Yeah, it did. And it kind of helped to get it in there too.
Yeah. Whip it.
Okay, guys. You always
whipping.
just whip it. When you whip it, you come back and you whip it. You don't just stir it. You know you gotta whip it. Oh, I like this sound. It's like ASMR.
Yeah, with the ice hitting.
With the ice hitting the glass.
Be quiet and let them listen.
Okay.
Okay,
You
we're gonna
ready?
try.
Cheers.
I don't have no words for her. That is strong. And I'm tasting sugar grains, so maybe we did use too much sugar.
It don't taste terrible though.
Chad, I'm about to be awake all night. The way this tastes.
She's strong.
She's really strong.
She's strong. But I'm actually glad we added the extra sugar because it kind of helped it a little bit more.
Yeah.
Like, cause like when we first tried it at the thing, it was kind of bitter, but you know, we like our drink sweet, so.
Yeah.
Just keep mixing. Maybe
Yeah,
you gotta
I'm
mix
just
for a
keep
while.
mixing and see if it's, yeah.
I mean, I don't mind her. I don't mind her. I don't mind her.
I do. I don't know. I can't get with bitter drinks.
I don't like that.
Child, I don't think she's bad. Like, if you probably added some more milk, added some more ice to kind of thin it down a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't think she would be bad. I think we should just need to like experiment it and like get our own measurements.
Yeah.
Because their measurements, I don't think they're right. With
yeah.
the 2, no.
No.
You need to add some more sugar to that, honey.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah.
Well,
so that was our
video.
cooking it and making
the
it.
Instagram drink that's trending right now.
Guys, I'm sorry, but this is really good. Like, I might have to hire my rating. Like, she might have to be an 8. Because, like, I really
Let me taste
like
yours,
her.
child, because yours is probably different than mine.
Please. Was mine better? It's the whipping.
Yeah.
It's the whipping. I'm telling you, I whipped it a little bit longer than yours.
Maybe I need to go back and whip mine.
All right.
Okay, so I'll give her like, yeah, like you said, like a 6.
I said a 6 and I went to an 8 because it's actually pretty good.
I'd her like a 6.5, 7. Okay, mine was just.
I don't think Tasha whipped hers, but when we were staring, I don't think she whipped it long enough.
Yeah.
Guys,
Because I couldn't
you
do
probably
that.
should try this. We probably will link down once we get it right, like the numbers and stuff. Try it, add more sugar, take away sugar. It's
Do
just the
whatever
sugar
you
ratio,
would like.
okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever you think you'd like. If you like it to be more sugary,
If you like it
more
to be bitter, don't
Yeah.
add a lot of sugar.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, so yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on our post notifications so you can get notified every time we post a video.
Right. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Twitter. We don't have anything else.
I don't get on Snapchat anymore, so
No.
I mean, you might as well not follow me on
Yeah.
that. But yeah, peace.
Bye, guys.
Deuces. Make his pockets hurt. Do 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 do. Can we please?